How to fix Visa gift card on hold. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Visa gift card on hold. If your Visa gift card is on hold, then it can mean there's a problem with the card that needs to be resolved before it can be used. So some of the ways on how you can fix this issue is to check the card balance. You can simply head over to the website or call the phone number provided on the back of the card to check your balance. Ensure that the balance covers the purchase amount including taxes and fees. Next thing you want to do is contact the customer service. You can call the customer service number, which is 1-800-847-2911. Then provide the card number and explain the issue. The representative may be able to tell you why your card is on hold and how to resolve this issue. Now, some gift card needs to be activated before use. Check the card packaging for activation instructions and ensure the card is properly activated. A hold may have been placed on the card if there was an attempt to use it for a transaction that exceeded the available balance. So you want to check for the transaction hold. And lastly, you want to ensure that the card has not expired. Visa gift cards often have an expiration date after which they cannot be used. So make sure to review the expiration date. And these are some ways on how you can fix Visa gift card on hold issue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.